Today we are going to learn capacity. Capacity means the volume of liquid. For example, if you have any liquid like water or oil or milk, you can find the volume of it and you will say this is the capacity of it. Okay, and we will use the same units of volume. So capacity is measured in liter and milliliter. And milliliter measures small capacities. For example, bottle of medicine, syringe, spoon, glass of tea, or cup of coffee. Liter measure large capacity. For example, bottle of milk or water, water bucket, bathtub. The milliliter is the capacity of cube-shaped container of side length 1 centimeter. So 1 milliliter equal 1 cubic centimeter. And the liter is the capacity of cube-shaped container of side length 1 decimeter or 10 centimeter. So the liter equal 1000 cubic centimeter or 1 cubic decimeter. Okay, so before we start solving, you must know how to convert between liter and milliliter. Okay, we said before, when you want to convert from big to small, you will multiply, and from small to big, you will divide. And here, the relation between liter and milliliter is 1000. So, from liter to milliliter, you will multiply 1000. From milliliter to liter, you will divide 1000. And before we start solving, you must remember these values. Quarter of liter equal to 150 milliliter. Half of liter, 500 milliliter. 3/4, 750 milliliter. And we have two new values here. 1/5 or 1/5 liter equal to 100 milliliter. And 1/8 of liter or 1/8 liter equal 125 milliliter. Choose the correct answer or the nearest to the correct answer. Iman put a bottle of medicine of capacity. So a bottle of medicine means small capacity. So this means I will try to choose the nearest number to it. Okay, so this is half liter, and this is 2 liter, and this is 1000 milliliter, and this means 1 liter. Okay, so the nearest number here to the correct answer is half liter. I used about what of water in bathing today, so the nearest answer here is 50 liter. We have a water tank of capacity. Yes, a water tank means big capacity, so this means I will choose 50 liter. When I was sick, I got an injection from an ampoule of, yes, so this is a syringe. Okay, so it means I will take a small capacity. Okay, so I will take 1 milliliter. Complete. So here I want to convert from 2 liter to milliliter. Okay, so we said before 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Okay, so here I have 2 liter, so this means 2 liter give me what? 2000 milliliter. Okay, so the answer here is 2000. 7 and 75 hundredths or 7.75 liter equal how many milliliter? Okay, here I have two solutions. Okay, I can solve by using multiplying by 1000, so it will be 7.75 by 1000. Okay, and when you multiply by 1000 here, you will move the decimal point but to the right. Okay, So I need to move the decimal point 3 digits to the right. So here is the decimal point. I want to move it 3 digits. So I have 1, 2, and the third. So I need to write 0. So it will be 7,750. Okay. Another way to solve this, I can use multiplication by a tricky way. So here I have the whole number is 7. So this gives me what? 7,000 milliliter. Okay, and here I have 75 over 100. Okay, and I will multiply it by 1000. Okay, so 2 zeros with 2 zeros. So this will give me 75 by 10, give me what? 750 milliliter. So the answer here is 7,750 milliliter. And here is like number 2, so it will be 4,275. Okay, here I will convert from milliliter to liter. Okay, so here I need to divide, and I have 3,000. So I will divide 1,000 here. 3,000 divide 1,000. Yes, 3 zeros with 3 zeros. So the answer is 3 over 1, which gives me 3. Here I have 8,500. Okay, 8,500 divide 1,000. Okay, 2 zeros with 2 zeros. And here I have 85 over 10. Okay, we studied this before in unit 1, dividing by 10 and 100 and 1,000. You will put the decimal point after the number of zeros. Okay, so here I have 1 0 in the denominator, so the decimal point will be after 1 digit, so the answer is 8.5. Okay, so 8.5 or 8.5. It's the same answer also. 9,750 milliliter. I want to convert it from milliliter to liter. Okay, from milliliter to liter. So this means I will divide 1,000. Okay, let's divide 1,000. 9,750 divide 1,000. Okay, I can remove 0 with 0. And I will put the decimal point after 2 digits. So the answer is 9.75. Or another way to solve this, how many liters here? Yes, the 1,000 is 9. Yes, and I have 750, which gives me 3 over 4. So I have two answers here, 9.75 or 9 and 3 over 4. Choose the nearest correct answer. What is the capacity of glass of water? Okay, glass of water, the nearest answer, it will be 250 milliliter. The average water for a person, it will give me what? Yes, I can use 1 liter and a half, which give me, yes, 1,500 milliliter. The amount of milk used by a family of 4 persons, it will be 2,000 milliliter. Now we have an important point here. Arrange the following quantities in descending order. Before you arrange them, you must make them of the same unit. Okay, so I need to convert all of them to the same unit first. I will convert 2 liter or milliliter. You can choose as you like. Okay, for me, I will convert from liter to milliliter by using multiplication. From liter to milliliter by using multiplication. So I will multiply 1,000. Okay, so I have 8.75 liter. Okay, which give me, yes, when I multiply it by 1,000, yes, 8.75 by 1,000. So the answer, it will be, yes, I will move the decimal point 3 digits. Okay, so 875. Okay, and the decimal point was here, yes, 1, 2, I need to put 0 here, yes. So it will give me 8,750 milliliter. And here I have milliliter. Okay, and 5 liter, which give me, yes, 5,000 milliliter. Now I can arrange them. Okay, he asked me to arrange them in descending order. So I will start with the biggest number here, which give me, yes, 9,000 milliliter. After this, yes, I need to write this. Okay, so 8.75 liter. The next one, it will be what? Yes, 6,500 milliliter. And the last one, the smallest number here, yes, is 5 liter. Again, when you want to compare between a lot of capacities, okay, you must make them of the same unit, okay? So the easiest way to solve this, you need to convert them to milliliter by using the multiplication. I will multiply by 1000, okay, to convert from liter or cubic decimeter, by the way, to milliliter. Put the suitable sign, smaller than, bigger than, or equal. Okay, number one, I have 2 liter and 2000 milliliter. Okay, 2 liter, which give me what? Yes, 2000 milliliter. And the other number, 2000 milliliter. Okay, so they are equal here. So the first one is equal. Okay, here I have 500 milliliter or cubic decimeter. Okay, cubic decimeter, this means 1 liter. Okay, and 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Okay, so here I have 500, here I have 1000. So 1000 is bigger. 9,000 milliliter, 10 liter. Okay, we said before I will convert from liter to milliliter. So 10 liter. So 10 liter will be 10,000 milliliter. So this equals 10,000 milliliter. Okay, so here I have 10,000 is bigger than 9,000. Okay, and the last one, 4 liter, which equals 4,000 milliliter, and 3,452. Yes, so this is bigger. We speak about capacity, yes, and capacity we have 2 units to measure capacity. Yes, we said we have milliliter for small capacities, and we have liter for big capacities. Okay, and we said to convert from milliliter to liter or from liter to milliliter, I will use the 2 operations, multiplication or division. Okay, so I will multiply by 1000 when I want to convert from liter to milliliter. Okay, and when I want to convert from milliliter to liter, I will divide 1000. Okay, okay, what if he asks me like this? 3.5 liter equal how many milliliter? Okay, so here I need to convert the 2 numbers. So here I need to convert the 2 numbers. Okay, so this is whole number 3 liter, which give me, yes, 3,000 milliliter. Okay, and we have the value of half of liter, which equals 500. Then add them together, yes, which give me 0.053. So the answer is 3,500 milliliter. Another one, when I have 6,250 milliliter equal how many liter? Okay, we have 2 ways to solve this. Yes, I can take the 1000 only as liter, and this will be the decimal part. Okay, so it will be 0.250, and you can remove the 0 here, so it will be 6.25. Or another way to solve this, yes, I have here, this is 6 liter plus 250. What is the value of it? Yes, from our table, yes, it's a fourth of liter. So the answer, it will be 6.25 of liter. Okay, the last example here. So the last example here, arrange in ascending order. 3,000 to 250 milliliter. 3 liter. 3,000 and fifths of liter. 3 and fifths of liter. 2 cubic decimeter. Okay, so here I need to convert all of them to milliliter. So here I have milliliter, okay. Here I need to change this to milliliter. So 3 liter will be 3,000 milliliter. And here I have liter, okay. So it will be 3,000. Yes, and fifths from our table, yes, it's 200, okay. So the answer is 3,200 milliliter. And here I have 2 cubic decimeter, okay, and we said cubic decimeter means liter, okay, so it's a 2 liter, 2 milliliter, it's 2,000 milliliter. So the first number here is the smallest number, so I will start with this 2 cubic decimeter because I arrange in ascending order, then 3 liter, then 3 and fifths of liter, then 3,250 milliliter. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.